This is a First Alert 5 weather alert.
Everyone. Well, not everyone has seen snow just yet, but don't worry, the main event is still on its way. It'll pick up right around sunset tonight with some heavier snow possible through very early Saturday morning. Let's talk about the hardest hit areas. I still think northern parts of El Paso, northern parts of Teller County will see the most snow from this approaching storm. And in these areas, there are some concerns for tricky travel, snow-packed roads, also blowing snow and gusty winds, especially later tonight as the storm energy really intensifies. Could see some gusts up around 35 to 45 miles per hour. That could make travel very difficult here into parts of southern Colorado. So this right here, what you're looking at on the live local radar, this is round number 1. And due to that lingering warm air after yesterday's highs in the 70s out east, it's falling as rain, just some widely scattered showers here, some snow a little farther west in the higher terrain of the plains, and still getting some heavier snow showers down to parts of Huerfano County coming off of the wet mountains, where earlier this afternoon we did have another snow squall warning, and that means a brief period of very intense snow. Most of the snow has evaded Pueblos so far. I think our main event still comes in later tonight. And again, you can see down south, not only are we tracking snow, but look at this, a little lightning strike showing up on the radar here just east of Trinidad. It lets us know there's some instability working with us here in the atmosphere, and that could again lead to some really heavy burst of snow as that second round rolls in. Here's a look at your current temperatures: 32 in the Springs, 30 in Monument, 40 in Pueblo, and 42 in La Junta. So you see warmer air east, coldest air generally near the mountains and foothills. Right now in the Springs, we've dried out just a bit, and I think for the most part we'll stay pretty dry for the next couple of hours, other than maybe an occasional quick burst of snow. You can see in Monument right now it's cloudy, but not seeing any snow on the roadways. Similar story in Canyon City, where we did get some pretty good snow showers earlier. Now we sort of dried out temporarily, so you can see that on Futurecast. Here comes the next wave, which moves in probably by late afternoon to early evening. It's going to set up across northern Colorado and drop south. And look at the little spin here on the Futurecast. Areas near that spin could see some really quick burst of heavier snow, and I think that's probably going to favor areas west of that circulation center, so mainly along and west of the interstate, the I-25 corridor. Now, as we make our way into the overnight hours, snow begins to taper off, and most of it should be out of the area by around daybreak Saturday. So snow totals, they're up quite a bit from what I showed you at noon yesterday due to some of those more recent developments with the development of that area of low pressure. 5 to 8 for Monument. Very low amounts out east, because a lot of this probably falls as rain or melts if it does transition to snow. Let's take a look at the Pikes Peak region. 4 to 7 for the Air Force Academy and Black Forest. 3 to 6 possible in Briargate and Falcon. Up to around 8 inches, maybe some isolated higher amounts near the Palmer Divide from the storm, and 2 to 5 for Manitou and Cripple Creek. So highs today, they're down about 25 to 30 degrees from what we saw yesterday. In many areas, I think we've probably already seen those afternoon highs achieved. For Saturday, 33 degrees is the high again. Most of the snow clears out early, but we'll be left with some tricky travel, some icy or snow-packed roads, and behind that system, it will be windy and it will be cold. Look at Saturday night's low, down to 11, by Sunday rebounding to near 50. For Pueblo, 1 out of 5 in the impact scale. Amounts here relatively light compared to neighboring towns, especially to your north. 50 by Sunday, 52 on Monday. Canyon City, we've got some snow showers tonight into tomorrow morning. Sunny and warmer from Sunday to Monday. And for Woodland Park, cold and snowy with the worst of it still coming after sunset tonight. Recovery by Sunday. Stay with us. More coming up after the break.